Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, open Gallery app and decide if you wish to delete your photos from Photos section at the bottom left corner or albums next to them. If you decided to go with photos, hold the chosen one that you wish to get rid of, and to pick multiple of them, click on this dot at the top right corner of chosen section, in my case today. Then select delete next to create at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete them from albums, click on Albums section, tap on the chosen one, hold one of your pictures as well, but this time tap on Select All at the bottom between Share and Create. To exclude some of your pictures, click on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, click on Delete next to Create at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!